They envy you because you stand out. They envy you for your zest of life and the way other people are drawn to you. You are a bright spark, and unbeknownst to you, you attract a lot of attention. And this individual yearns for the same type of attention that you just gained so effortlessly. This person was confident within themselves because they felt that they were better than you. Maybe they may make more money than you. Maybe they know influential people. And every time they feel that pang of envy whenever they see you, they remind themselves that, well, I know so and so. I make more money than him. I make more money than her. But it's still not enough. They still feel very defensive over you, and they refuse to unpack these feelings. They feel a sense of lack whenever they are around you, and it keeps them up at night. They fixate on you and your energy. They admire you, but they resent you. They want you gone for some of you, unfortunately. Some of you could work with this individual, and they feel like they have to capture your essence or they have to snuff out your light because you outshine this person on every single level. So they may have tried to ice you out of situations, group activities, family gatherings, friendship groups, because they just feel so inadequate whenever you are around. They feel like others choose you over them without you even knowing. And it keeps this person trapped in a mental prison because of your beauty, because of your charm, your wit, your charisma. You're very magnetic, and this person themselves are drawn to you. This person is in fear about your very essence and who you are. They try to tell themselves not to feel this way about you. They try to tell themselves that they're overreacting. But every time they see you, every time they interact with you, they get triggered. And one of the reasons why they get triggered is because they fear that one day you will eclipse them. They fear that you may take their job. They fear that you may take their spouse. They fear that someone that they wants you. And it makes this person become very vengeful and combative with you. But they try and keep this anger under wraps. So they shift their focus onto making sure that you do not gain any opportunities. They try and deter other people away from you. And their spirit guides have told them not to do this because it's wrong. But they keep ignoring their spirit guides. They are so stuck in their ego. They are so enraged by who you are. And they feel like the only way that they can rise up is to unfortunately try and take you down. Because they feel as if they should be celebrated. They feel as if the praise that you get should be theirs. This person is angry at the fact that people like you. You're very popular, and this person wonders why people don't react in the same way that they react to you. You cause a lot of hysteria, a lot of excitement. You stand out. You have a lot of popularity, even if you're quiet. You are attractive. You have charisma. You have star quality. And this individual fears that everything that they've built up until this point, you're going to take it away from them. And I feel like your being has forced this person to heal, which they're trying to actually resist, by the way. You know, they do often ask themselves sometimes, why do I get so triggered whenever I see you? They ask themselves these things, and they come up with the answer of, you are toxic, even though you're not, right? You are trying to outdo them. You're trying to compete with them. You're trying to push them out of their friendship circle. You're trying to be popular. Everything that they are, they try and project that onto you. And the reason why they envy you is because you are everything that they wish they could be. And maybe once upon a time, this person was that main guy or main girl until you came along, because I feel like this person was in an energy of pretense. They were pretending to be someone that you naturally are. Because some of you are oblivious to the fact as to why this person acts this way towards you. This person is a straight up fan, because they are obsessed with you. They are obsessed with destroying you. They are obsessed with trying to defame you. And their fixation on you translates into admiration. But they will never admit that to themselves. And they will never admit to themselves that they're actually jealous of you. Jealous of what you can become, jealous of who you actually are. Someone that just stands out, someone that people love. Whether that's in regards to friendship, whether that's in regards to romantic connections. For some of you, they could be envious of your relationship. Some of you could be with a partner that is equally as powerful as you are, and they feel like they should be in that relationship. They should be with that person. It shouldn't be you. Why did that person choose you? This is what they're thinking. This is the type of person to want everything that you have. Even if they don't like a person that you're dating or the thing that you're wearing, they want to get it before you. They are this way inclined with other people, for some of you. But with you, you are like their ultimate goal to try and take down. And the thing is, deep down, they know they can't, because you're too powerful. And because this person is so envious of you, it's caused them to have a lot of emotional imbalances. This person's fixation is unhealthy. They feel enraged every time they hear of some sort of success, every time they see that you are striving, every time they see that you are going towards your goal, you've achieved a goal, you're doing well. You're at peace with yourself. You have a lot of inner peace. And for some of you, this person is envious of the inner peace that you possess, because this person is emotionally unbalanced and unstable. They lack having inner peace. They are all over the place, way before they even met you. This person projects outwardly in regards to who they can control, because it's a deflection from the healing that they need to heal within. And seeing you in your power irates this person even more. Seeing you in love, seeing you being loved, annoys this individual. This is a past life enemy that tried to take what's yours because of their envy. And they are being blocked by spirit. And the more they envy you, the more they delay their healing. And the more they delay their healing, the more mentally trapped they will be. And the more mentally trapped they will be, the more they will destroy themselves due to their envy of you.